ఏపీలో 1,00,000 కోట్ల లిక్కర్ స్కామ్ పై సమగ్ర విచారణ జరిపించాలని డిమాండ్ చేశారు ఏపీ కాంగ్రెస్ చీఫ్ వైఎస్ షర్మిల. వైసీపీ పాలనలో 1,00,000 కోట్ల మద్యం అమ్మకాలు జరిగితే డిజిటల్ పేమెంట్స్ కేవలం 600 కోట్లు వచ్చాయన్నారు. 99,000 కోట్లు ఎక్కడ పోయాయో తెలియదన్నారు. లిక్కర్ సేల్స్ లో ట్యాక్స్ రూపేణా 1% ఆదాయం ప్రభుత్వానికి రాలేదన్నారు. ఇక రాష్ట్రంలో క్యాష్ పద్ధతిలో జరిగిన అమ్మకాలు, ట్రస్టెడ్ కంపెనీల లిక్కర్ నిషేధం, హానికరమైన మద్యం అమ్మకాలపై విచారణ జరిపించాలన్నారు. లిక్కర్ స్కామ్ లో సిట్ విచారణ కొండను తవ్వి ఎలుకను పట్టినట్లుందన్నారు. ఇక రాష్ట్రంలో చంద్రబాబు, పవన్, జగన్ ముగ్గురు బీజేపీకి దత్తపుత్రులేనని విమర్శించారు షర్మిల.
The fact of the matter is, the 5 years that Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy was in power, liquor was sold in Andhra Pradesh for cash. No digital payments were accepted. Credit cards, debit cards, digital payments, Paytms, nothing was accepted. If people had to buy liquor, they had to buy liquor only in cash. What is the reason? If there was nothing to hide, if all the liquor was clean, then why was not digital? Why were digital payments not allowed? Was non-duty paid liquor and thereby caused great loss to the government exchequer. Also, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has to answer. So Jagan Mohan Reddy has to answer to all of these questions. Now the SIT has come up with evidences against Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy saying that 3,500 crores of rupees was taken as kickbacks and all this money went to Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Yes, probably. But inquiry also has to be made why digital payments were not allowed during the 5 years, how much of this non-duty liquor was sold to the people and how much of kickbacks and commissions were taken from that, because only 614 crores of rupees was accounted for. Digital payments to the tune of only 614 crores of rupees were collected by the government in all the 5 years. And this is not right at all. And also the health of the people was involved. So detailed investigation has to happen on all the fronts